So this is your next task, marrying text and images. So just click and again, use template. So ganito yung makikita natin inside Canva. So marrying text and images, again, replace this one with your cover slide. Next is delete the page 2 and then start in the page 3. So you can see all the hints at the bottom of every slide. So ganun lang, 3 lang yan. 3 slides lang. And then after that, share. So yung sabi natin kanina, di ba, for task 2 lang yung collaborative link or collaboration link. So yung gagamitin natin dito is yung generate the public view link or the view only link. Yung sa iba kasi view only link yung nakikita. And then, kung ganito yung nakikita, generate public view and then copy. After you copy, then paste it on the exercise and then submit. Paste the link, yung create, and then click turn in so that makikita ko na nag-turn in kayo in your task. So yun lang.